Hello, good day, guys. Welcome back to Tech Tutorials. And again, my name is Ghost. I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines, and we upload videos about things we do on the internet, such as working for UHRS and anything related to it. But for now, again, majority of the uploads we do are of UHRS HITAPPs. And for today's recording, I am taking the training for a hit app called Is the Result What the User Was Searching For? US Chain Business. It is again the training mode. So for this one, we just have to make sure that the query matches with what the answer is. We can tag the answer as the same business, department variation, a sibling, parent or child, or it is irrelevant. Now, for the same business, the business in the query is the same chain business as the answer. Uh, Example, Panda Express near me, and the answer is Panda Express are going to be the same. Bank of America, answer will be Bank of America Financial Center that provides full banking services. They will be the same. UPS is the same as full service UPS store. What else? Office Max was bought by and is now the same as the answer Office Depot. Department variation. The business in the query is a department or variation of the business in the answer. For department and the relationship is usually a service department or smaller section of the business in the answer. For a variation, results will be the same basic business but with more or less selection or discounts. Example is Costco Pharmacy is a department of the answer Costco. So what else? Walmart has a variation in the answer, Walmart Neighborhood Market, because it is a smaller grocery store, not a full department store. Hilton Spokane is a variation of answer Embassy Suites, as they are all Hilton hotels, clearly recognized as such on the business website. We ignore the location. Bank of America is a variation of the answer Bank of America ATM. Verizon is of the answer, Go Wireless Authorized Dealer, as Go is a partner store but is not a Verizon store. Again, these are for US business chains. Uh, Sibling would be when both the query and the answer are separate businesses with unrelated names contained by a larger parent business. An example will be Home Good, and the answer is Marshalls, are siblings as they are two separate stores under the parent TJX company. Parent child, these are companies that have parent businesses that manages but do not provide direct service themselves. Also use this label for headquarters, warehouses, and other parts of the business that do not deal directly with customers. If the parent name is the same as one of their customer facing brands, treat as the brand, not parent or child, unless the query is specifically for the parent company. The query Walmart, customers cannot shop at Walmart distribution center. Uh, that is correct. Walmart distribution center is not customer facing, so that is they supply goods to the Walmart department store itself. So another example is Marriott is not the parent of Courtyard by Marriott, as there are hotels called Marriott that serves customers directly. Courtyard by Marriott is something else. Marriott International is the parent company of Marriott Hotel Variations. Irrelevant business is in the query is unrelated to the answered business. Don't be influenced by the category of the business. Two businesses would be treated as irrelevant even though they sold similar products. Query Sears, answer is Lowe's. They are totally different companies. So let's go ahead and work on this hit app. Fair the answer or the query rather is Atlanta, Georgia Marriott. Failed in Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott, Arundel Mills, BW Airport. So this is going to be this will fall under, hold on a sec. It's going to be a variation. So a department or variation. We have to click on this one, and we have to click on this one as well before we click submit. Let's see how it goes. We are correct. Another sample is Best Western Yuma, Arizona, Hotel Bixby, Scottsdale. Uh, let's take a look at this website. Best Western Yuma, Yuma, Arizona. Hold on a sec. Let me open this up and make sure that they are different. So most likely they are different. Hotel Bixby, Scottsdale. Best Western. What is Best Western? They have important. What is, hold on a sec. Now, we do not live in the United States, and these are business chains in that particular country. So we are going to really have a hard time uh, trying to figure out these businesses. So you have to really research on this one. So they are most likely this is part of BWH Hotel Group. Let's try again. Best Western. Let's Best Western and no, and then Hotel Bixby. Hotel Bixby. I don't see. Hold on. Primary website. Hotel Bixby's signature BW signature collection. Let me verify this one. It's most likely, yeah, going to be a variation. Let's see how it goes. I hope we get this right for this training tutorial. Yep, we got it correct. So you see how hard it is to work with this type of head app. You really have to do a research. So Burbank Airport phone, car rental. It's a car rental, but the query is airport phone. Let's try this one. Rent a car, Avis. Let me check on this. This is in California. The other one is in Canada. Oh no, Ontario. Yeah, this one is in Canada. Is it? No. Is it California? Let me research for this telephone number. Uh, phone number. Is a phone number for which country is it? I'm confused because I know Ontario is in Canada. Ontario, is it Ontario, California? There is no Ontario, California, I believe. So this is going to fall under Home Goods or Siblings as they are two separate stores under the parent TJX company. Parent child. I think it is another variation. Let's see how it goes. Ah, they are the same. All right, we got one wrong answer for this. Rural King's Guns, RK Guns. Okay, I think they are the same. Nope. Rural King, America's Farm and Home Store. They are different businesses. They are irrelevant. It's blocked. But anyways, I believe they are irrelevant. Let's see how it goes. Ah, it's a department. Okay. Now you see how hard it is to work with this type of hit apps. Again, these are businesses in the United States. So if you don't really do well with your research, you are not going to pass the qualification. So Verizon authorized retailer, Verizon Whitefish. What is this? Go Wireless. I read this. It's under Verizon is it's going to be a department or variation. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. Another one is Micro Hotel in Cherokee in North Carolina. Micro N. And what is this? Primary website by Windham. Hold on. Let's see if they belong to by Windham. They are going to be the same business. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. So another one is Ramada Provo UT reviews. Ramada by Windham as well. And what's this? Ramada by Windham. It's going to be the same business. I hope. Yep, we got it right. Econo Lodge, Fayetteville, North Carolina, exit 49. Uh-huh. Let me click that. Oyo Hotel. Oyo Hotel, Wade, Lafayette. Now this requires more research. Hold on. Econo Lodge, Fayetteville, reservations.com. Uh, where can I find more information about this? They are, I think, going to be irrelevant. Please decide the relationship between the business and the query and answer. Costco Pharmacy, Walmart has a variation, Hilton Spokane. This is totally two different entities. Hold on. Oyo Hotel. They are going to be irrelevant, I think. Let's see. Yep, we are correct. One more. Target. This one is easy. It's going to be a department or variation. But for the purpose of the hit, or for the purpose of the training, we need to click on the business details. It's a requirement. Ah, it's a department. It's irrelevant. The query is the national store chain target, and the research shows the answer target supports a standalone, so it should be irrelevant. Okay, let's work on one more thing. Holiday in Mayflower, London. Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn Express. Let's take a look at this. Holiday Inn. It's hotel. This one is different, so it is, I believe, a department or variation. Yep, we got it right this time. BJ's Wholesale Club, Riverdale, New Jersey. Wholesale Club. Let's see. BJ's Bakery. This is something confusing between a department and parent or child. Not a parent or child, because the parent again are like the distribution house or the warehouse who provides supplies to the front facing department of a particular business. So this is going to be a business within BJ Wholesales Club. So it is going to be a department or variation. Yeah. Another query is Safeway, Moses Lake in Washington. Grocery. Safeway is the name of the grocery store. Grant County Mall. Grant County Amenities. These are two different businesses, so it is irrelevant. Yes, we got it right. I hope you guys are learning from this. We're able to complete 14 hits. Wells Fargo, they misspelled it. Wells Fargo Banking, Wells Fargo Bank, they are the same business. So for me, it is the same. Let's see how it goes. Yes, we got it right. So Dairy Queen, Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Uh-huh. Dairy Queen Grill and Chill. Mm, this is going to be a variation. Hold on. Yeah, I hope we pass or they are the same business. Okay, let's move on. Bombay Company, 1 hours of operation. Bombay Trading, Bombay Touch. Hey, what is this? Bombay Trading. Let's see how it differs from Bombay Touch. The Bombay Company. It's taking a while to load, but most likely this is going to be. It's taking a long time. Uh, Bombay Trading Company. Let's look at the logo here. Wholesale for the importer. But this one, hold on, let's look at the logo. Oh man, what's wrong? I think it is going to be something like it's confusing. Indian cuisine, the Bombay touch, and experience. Hold on, order online locations. Ah, this is going to be a sibling, I guess. Home goods. Let's see how it goes. Um, it could be a department because it's smaller grocery store. Yeah, I'm confused. Let's see how it goes. It's irrelevant. Okay. All right, one more hit for this recording. Publix, Pharmacy, and Daphne. Oh man, I'm getting some error messages here. Publix, Food Pharmacy. I think they are the same. I'm getting this error message, so I am unable to display all these. Well, it's a department, but that's it for this video. I hope you all were able to learn something. Again, the name of the hit is the result what the user was searching for. This is for U.S. chain businesses. I'll try to work on this one. I was able to complete 18 hits, and I think I got 5 wrong answers. Maybe more. I cannot remember. Anyways, I'll continue to work on this, and if I do pass the qualification, I'm gonna upload a video of that while doing it. Again, my name is Ghost, and I am the admin for Click Worker Philippines. To join the group in Facebook, just subscribe to this channel and send over a screenshot of your subscription. Thank you for watching, and have a good week. Thank you.